Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're out driving our 85 Chevy C10. Cruising down the road there, you hear the stereo, air blows cold. Must be cruising around 60. Got the golfers done golfing for the night. You can probably see it's a little twilight here. You can probably see my headlights. Just trying to get one more video in before it gets dark. And said this thing runs and drives like a watch. It's a custom truck over the top with a hood and lots of chrome, the molded roll pan in the rear, the two-tone paint, the touches on the interior with the trim and the grand steering wheel and stuff. So just a really nice restoration. Tonneau cover and good quality paint. So this is something you can show or just drive it to cruise nights, and you'll definitely get some comments on it. I would guess maybe it's a little lowered. Might have a 2-inch lowering on it. Goes down the road nice, doesn't pull, doesn't shimmy. You can see it's got that tinting across the top. I personally don't like it, but some people do, especially if it's going to go down south where it's really warm. It's a big deal. South Dakota here, we don't need them that much, so. But that can be removed if you don't like it, and if you live in a southern climate where you need one of them, it's already done. So brakes work good, steering works good.